Hey, welcome back to the El Yucateco channel. I'm Josh, and of course I am wearing my apron today because I'm going to be doing some baking for you. I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes of all time. It's a side dish, something I'm sure you've had before, cheddar cornbread, but we're doing it a little bit different this time. We're going to be kicking it up with some El Yucateco chili habanero sauce. It is fantastic, but it doesn't stop there. We're going to be putting it in the waffle iron. That way you can experience the most insane texture you've ever had on cornbread. Cheese, El Yucateco, awesome fluffy with a little bit of crispy outside cornbread waffles that are perfect as an entree or as a side dish. I'm going to show you both ways today. I know you're going to love it, and I know this is going to become a staple on your table in the future. If you like this recipe, make sure you hit subscribe, click the bell, and get notified of all of the new content that El Yucateco is putting out for you, because these recipes are ones you are not going to want to miss. As I said, time to bake, or I guess it's time to make the waffles. Let's get started. So all of my ingredients are already put into separate containers, pre-measured so I can make this with ease. In front of me, I have 1 3/4 cup of a cornmeal mix. I have half a cup of creamed corn, just under 2 cups of cheddar cheese. You're gonna need a cup of milk, an egg, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. If you want to add some additional heat to it, go for it. You can add some diced jalapenos, you can add any sort of chili pepper you want. I'm gonna be using some hatch chili peppers that were roasted and then diced. And of course, you're gonna need the El Yucateco. You can use any sort of El Yucateco you want. Today we are going to be using the chili habanero, the Caribbean style hot sauce. This is a perfect flavor that works extremely well with corn. Let's get started. So I have all the ingredients measured and laid out in front of me. First thing I want to do is to get all of my wet ingredients together. So I have a cup of milk. I'm going to add a tablespoon of El Yucateco chili habanero, the Caribbean style, because it works great with corn. And I'm going to add the 1 egg into this. Mix that together. Next thing, into a bowl, I'm going to get my dry ingredients. So I'm going to get that 1 3/4 cup of the cornmeal mix, put that in there. I'm going to put in the creamed corn on top just to start mixing it up, get some nice distribution in there. Next up, poblano peppers, hatch chili peppers, jalapenos, whatever you think is going to be great. I'm going to go ahead and add the wet ingredients. So I'm going to throw the milk in there that has the El Yucateco and has the beaten egg. Next up is the cheddar. Again, don't mix too hard, just fold in nicely, get it all well incorporated. And last but not least, we're going to go ahead and add in the 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Don't worry if you're not following along with the recipe, it is in the description below. So the waffle iron is preheated. I have the mix right next to me. I also have a measuring cup so I can scoop it out. First thing I want to do, spray a little bit of non-stick spray, just to make sure that we have an easy release for the waffles. All right, time to add the batter. I'm doing about a half a cup in each of the wells. They look great. Time to take them out. I'm going to be very gentle. I'm going to put them on a wire cooling rack. They are piping hot right now. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to dig into these. You can use them as a side, you can use them as part of an entree. They are fantastic. The habanero infused cheddar cornbread waffles are going to be the next star of your dinner, whether as a side or an entree. Heck, put it as the base, put some pulled pork on top of it, or cut into strips and serve it alongside your favorite chili recipe. El Yucateco has a fantastic chili recipe that's available here on this channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do, because these recipes are just gonna get better from here. Thanks for watching. My name is Josh. I'm hungry, so I'm going. I'll see you next time.